Alright, so this is the image I created on the ThinkLink website. The topic is Colonial History of North Carolina. This is a topic usually seen in social studies in the 8th grade level. Here we have the map of North Carolina with various symbols that represent the state, tobacco. We have the state bird, the state flower. Then down here we have the 3 resources used for this image. We have an image, a video, and an article. So the image takes us to another image with images within it and brief descriptions of early colonial life in North Carolina. I'm clicking on the website so we can actually read the text. So here we can see how North Carolina was founded. We can read about the economic aspects. Students can read about the social aspects, how Native Americans and colonists interacted with each other. Down here we can read about the types of settlers that moved into the colony, the political aspects of the time in the colony, and there's even a brief video for students to watch. So this image in specific, I think, provides a vast amount of information on multiple aspects of early colonial life in a very concise and entertaining manner, which is why I chose it as one of my resources. Then down here we have the article, which also provides a vast amount of information in a concise manner. The article is on the History Channel website, and it contains information about North Carolina as one of the 13 original colonies. The information is mainly interesting facts, like how Pirate Blackbeard was killed in the Outer Banks in North Carolina. We have more interesting facts down here about the early colonial life. It's great for students that like to learn by reading, and it's great for those that don't like to learn by reading, since the article itself is not that long. And lastly, we have the third resource, which is a video. It provides images as well as students will read comments down at the bottom. This video is about the Lost Colony. That is a historic event in North Carolina that remains with a lot of mystery. It was never fully resolved. Students can learn about the Roanoke Island Lost Colony as they learn about early colonial life in North Carolina. This will keep them interested as they are introduced new information. And that would be the last of my resources and the ending of my video. Thank you.